Among the cranial nerves, the one that extends far beyond the head to innervate thoracic and abdominal organs, making it the longest cranial nerve, is the trigeminal nerve, facial nerve, glossopharyngeal nerve, vagus nerve. And the correct answer is option D, that is vagus nerve. In comparative anatomy, the presence of two anterior or cranial venae cavae draining blood from the head and forelimbs is a characteristic feature of horse, dog, ox, birds. And the correct answer is option D, that is birds. In large domestic ungulates such as the horse and ox, increased stride length and limb mobility are associated with the absence of which pectoral girdle bone? Scapula, coracoid, clavicle, humerus. And the correct answer is option C, that is clavicle. In comparative anatomy, the distal part of the forelimb, termed the manus in animals, corresponds structurally to which part in humans? Arm, forearm, hand, foot. And the correct answer is option C, that is hand. The joint between the bodies of adjacent vertebrae permits limited movement while providing strength and shock absorption. This type of joint is classified as synarthrosis, diarthrosis, gomphosis, amphiarthrosis. And the correct answer is option D, that is amphiarthrosis. The type of fibrous joint in which a tooth is firmly anchored within its alveolar socket by a periodontal ligament is termed suture, syndesmosis, gomphosis, synchondrosis. And the correct answer is option C, that is gomphosis. Among the cranial nerves in animals, the nerve with the greatest diameter and extensive sensory and motor distribution to the face and jaws is the facial nerve, glossopharyngeal nerve, vagus nerve, trigeminal nerve. And the correct answer is option D, that is trigeminal nerve. Among the cranial nerves in animals, the one with the smallest diameter and least number of fibers supplying a single extraocular muscle is the oculomotor nerve, trochlear nerve, abducent nerve, accessory nerve. And the correct answer is option B, that is trochlear nerve. The release of bile into the duodenum during digestion is regulated by a gastrointestinal hormone that stimulates gallbladder contraction, namely secretin, gastrin, cholecystokinin, somatostatin. And the correct answer is option C, that is cholecystokinin. The middle coat of the eyeball, rich in blood vessels and responsible for nourishing ocular structures, is known as the retina, sclera, cornea, choroid. And the correct answer is option D, that is choroid. In cattle, the number of thoracic spinal nerves corresponds to the thoracic vertebrae and is anatomically recorded as 12 pairs, 13 pairs, 14 pairs, 18 pairs. And the correct answer is option B, that is 13 pairs. In comparative osteology of domestic animals, the scapula of which species characteristically lacks an acromion process as a species-specific adaptation? Dog, cat, pig, horse. And the correct answer is option D, that is horse. In the skull, the large opening that allows passage of the spinal cord from the cranial cavity into vertebral canal is located in which bone? Occipital bone, parietal bone, temporal bone, sphenoid bone. And the correct answer is option A, that is occipital bone. In the horse, the paranasal sinuses system is well developed for skull lightening and resonance. The largest of these sinuses is the frontal sinus, sphenoidal sinus, maxillary sinus, ethmoidal sinus. And the correct answer is option C, that is maxillary sinus. In comparative veterinary anatomy, the presence of a visceral bone known as os phrenic associated with the diaphragm is a distinctive feature of which animal? Horse, ox, dog, camel. And the correct answer is option D, that is camel. In systemic circulation, the largest venous trunk responsible for returning blood from the posterior part of the body to the heart is portal vein, cranial vena cava, caudal vena cava, pulmonary vein. And the correct answer is option C, that is caudal vena cava. The lining epithelium of the small intestine is structurally adapted for maximal absorption and is composed of which epithelial type? Simple squamous epithelium, simple columnar epithelium, stratified squamous epithelium, pseudostratified columnar epithelium. And the correct answer is option C, that is stratified squamous epithelium. In the gastrointestinal tract, aggregated lymphoid nodules that provide mucosal immune surveillance are characteristically found in the duodenum, ileum, colon, stomach. And the correct answer is option B, that is ileum. Elevation of the upper eyelid during blinking and eye opening is achieved by a muscle innervated by which cranial nerve? Optic nerve, oculomotor nerve, trigeminal nerve, facial nerve. And the correct answer is option B, that is oculomotor nerve. In the autonomic nervous system, parasympathetic outflow to thoracic and abdominal viscera is predominantly mediated by which cranial nerve? Trigeminal nerve, facial nerve, glossopharyngeal nerve, vagus nerve. And the correct answer is option D, that is vagus nerve.